This is, I believe, the 4th week. Cabot is working on this gas site, gas pad, on Post Pond Road, across from Shanti Temple. The amount of money put into this, 8-hour days from what I can see, 5 days a week. And I recently learned that this is restoration. The restoration process. Recontouring, moving things around so that it doesn't really look like a gas pad, and make the footprints much smaller. These are the area of the gas wells, the production unit stacks. So the wells should be somewhere near there. Probably around here. Let's see, what do we see? There's 3 wells here, but some equipment here. So it looks quite different from last week. And then when there's all kinds of growth covering this recontoured and shaped soil area, it should look more like it looked originally. A big, wild, growing area, except that it has a road going through it, and this is October 13th, about 2:30 in the afternoon. They have 4 machines going at the same time on this property for 3 to 4 weeks to restore this property to as much of a natural state, I suppose. And the amount of money spent on this whole process from beginning to this moment is astronomical, in the millions. How they can make a profit is beyond me.